went. Hi there. Elmo and Tango are outside looking for different kinds of bugs in the park. Oh, look, a beautiful butterfly. Good idea, Tango. Elmo and Tango can use our imaginations to pretend we're small like bugs too. Here we go. We're shrinking! Wow! Look at that! Elmo and Tango are as small as bugs. And look! There's our buddy, the butterfly! Come on! Let's follow the butterfly! It's slimy! Hey, look, Tango! It looks like these roly-poly bugs are getting ready to roll.
Yahoo!
Use the leaves to measure how far the roly-poly rolled from the bottom of the slide. This roly-poly went 7 leaves. Now it's the next roly-poly's turn. Whee! Let's measure how far this roly-poly rolled from the slide. This roly-poly went 6 leaves. Which roly-poly is closer to the slide? This roly-poly went 7 leaves. That's more. That's right. That roly-poly is closer. It rolled fewer leaves. That sure looked like fun, roly-polies. Look, it's the butterfly. Let's keep exploring. You're right, Tango. These lightning bugs are getting ready to party, and each one needs a hat. Which set has the same number of hats as lightning bugs? That's right. This set has 2 hats. Let's give each lightning bug a hat. 1.
Yahoo!
2.
Thanks!
2 hats. 2 lightning bugs. Which set has the same number of hats as lightning bugs? That's right. This set has give each lightning bug a hat. One,
Party time!
2,
I love hats.
3,
Yahoo!
4.
Thanks.
4 hats. 4 lightning bugs. Way to go! Elmo thinks it's time to boogie! Oh!
Woo-hoo!
Hello again, Butterfly. Elmo wonders, what other bugs can we find?
Tweet, tweet.
Hello there, bird. Look, it's ladybugs. Oh, Elmo knows a fun game we can play. Let's count the spots to find the ladybugs with 3 spots all together. Spectacular! You did it! You found all the ladybugs with 3 spots all together. Now let's find the ladybugs with 5 spots all together. Nice spot spotting. Woohoo! You found all the ladybugs with 5 spots all together. Thanks for playing, ladybugs. Look, it's the butterfly. Come on, Tango, there's still more to see. Happy winter. You're right, Tango. That is a big puddle. Come on, let's help these caterpillars get across. These caterpillars are all different sizes. Fit each caterpillar into a leaf boat of the same size.
So long.
Come on, let's keep fitting caterpillars into boats by size. Some of these boats can hold more than 1 caterpillar. Bon voyage! You did it! Come on, let's keep fitting caterpillars into boats by size. Some of these boats can hold more than 1 caterpillar. Fill each bon voyage! Catch you later, caterpillar.
Check you later.
You got all the caterpillars across the puddle. Now it's our turn. Anchors away, Tango. Yeah! Elmo and Tango finally caught up with our buddy, the butterfly. Nice moves, Butterfly. Bye-bye. Whoa! We're getting big again. Elmo and Tango had so much fun